It's not always going to be fine, but we shall survive the day. "10 minutes in, mare of a day." Broke my max lens mod, started in the wrong direction, didn't fill up the car with petrol. Thinking today is like walking through waist deep mud. I get days like that. More good days than bad. More good days than bad. And we got new toys today, which is fabulous. I'm having a little sit down. Oh, I'm going to run you through the morning. Well, I'm going to run myself through the morning, I think. But you too. So I had to give myself a little mental slap around the cheeks. And it isn't all going wrong. I'm just having a rubbish day. I was just having a rubbish day, and now it's all right. Look at where I am. I'm in a little place near DUNSFORD, on the River Teign. An awful lot has gone wrong today, and this isn't a moany video. It's a video about it's not always going to go right, and that is okay. It's not always going to be fine, but we shall survive the day. The drone survived. I want to tell you about the drone. So the day before yesterday, 2 supporters of our channel donated, I think it's about 80% of the money for a DJI Mini SE. It's perfect for where I go on my little travels with you guys. Penifan, Snowdon, Scaffold, it's the footage I'm going to get up there, and all of the other places that I've got on my list for this year, for this summer, and no, for this year, starting now, day dot. It's going to be brilliant. It's just going to add another dimension to the videos. So thank you to those 2 supporters of the channel. I was blown away. I had no idea it was coming. I had no idea they were thinking of helping in any way. I always said to you guys that when I get to 400 subscribers, because I never really believed I was going to get to 400 subscribers, I always said I'd get one then, because it was in the distance. It was a million miles away, but we're here. We're 419 today, and we've got a drone. Thank you, and thank all of you for getting me out doing this.